Okay, so in the battle pass, there's bonus rewards too, by the way. We'll get to those. Let's just go over the normal rewards. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff. This backwing looks kind of cool. Liking the skin. That's pretty good too. To get the upgrades, obviously. Well, different styles. Not liking that style. I want to get this skin. Looks so funny. This style, yeah, nothing that interesting about it. Let's see. This skin's kind of cool. Whoops. Let me just go back. We get this, which is funny. This is cool. That I really want to see. What else we get? That, it's not for me, but I can see people liking that skin. No, nothing that new about that. For me, again, not that excited about that. Same deal. I mean, I do like that emote, but not excited about that skin. And yeah, page 10. I mean, I know everybody's gonna be excited about this skin. Plus the emote you get from it. Glider. And here you go. Here it is. So I'm guessing this is what most people are waiting for. Honestly, for me, if I could skip all the way into page 10, I'm good. I can skip all the other pages. I don't really care about them. Except for like the first ones. Look pretty good. And then page 10. I can skip like the middle ones. If you know, you could. But anyways, that's it for the new battle pass. Looks pretty good. And Fortnite Crew, well, everybody knows what's in Fortnite Crew. Coming soon is this. And we look at rewards. So this comes with your battle pass. Obviously, once you hit level 200, you get to claim everything from here with bonus rewards. And bonus is usually pretty good. Oh yeah, page 3. We don't know about those yet. Not yet. But we'll see it. 18 days to unlock that. Wow, we have to wait a long time. Alright, at least we can get some of the other bonus ones.